Hey, Ryan again here with Affilazon.com. Continuing on our tutorial on SEO and getting your site ranked in the search engines. We're talking about bestmailordersteak.com, one of my websites that I've recently started. It's far from complete, but I've already, like I said, I've already started getting rankings and I've started seeing traffic, and that's very promising. Makes me want to keep working on this site. I feel like it's a good niche. Getting that little burst of energy is really important. So you wanna see where your site's at, and those small successes will help you stay focused on a project. So here's Best Mail Order Steak. I built it in the TruePixel theme. I pretty much build all my sites in the TruePixel theme just because it's so simple. I always look for simple, and then of course responsive. Responsive is very, very important. Almost more than half of my traffic now comes from mobile phones, and so if your site doesn't have a mobile theme or a responsive theme that show a mobile site when the customer goes to it, you're going to run into a lot of problems because those mobile sites, the mobile themes really help with your mobile visitors. So anyways, yeah, that's why I use the TruePixel theme. But anyways, this is the site. It's cool. I've got this cool wood background. It's kind of rustic. I'm going for cowboyish barbecue kind of stuff. I designed a simple logo and then just threw the site together pretty quickly. Obviously, like I said in the other tutorial, you don't want to spend too much time on the design of the site. You want it to look clean and professional, but you don't want to spend too much time away from developing your content. So here is the site. A lot of the pictures I got from the affiliate, the company that I'm promoting, so you can use those pictures to promote their products. Generally they're not gonna mind because you're helping them sell more products. So here's a little thing I want you to notice. Up here at the top, you'll see this little green light. It says SEO. This is a plugin that I use to help me write my pages so that I know that I'm doing what I'm creating a well-optimized page. So let's get into that. Come over to the desktop here. Somebody submitted a comment, a spam comment. If you ever get these comments, it's somebody going on to your page and leaving a comment that talks about, I can get you traffic, I can get you this and that. I don't feel like that's a very good way to advertise. So if somebody's not advertising professionally to me, I don't feel like they deserve a response. So if we go over to pages, like I said, this is a new site. We don't have much going on. I'm still building a lot of it out, but here's the main page, Best Mail Order Steak. Now, if you watch the previous video, that's the keyword that we came up with as being our focus keyword, is Best Mail Order Steak. So I'm going to put that in as the headline. Now, what I have is I have a plugin. In fact, let's go over to the plugins first. It's a free plugin, so I really like it. So it's the Yoast WordPress SEO plugin. So just type in WordPress SEO by Yoast or Yoast SEO, and it'll come up. And then you install it, and it's ready to go. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like when you search it. So if I type in SEO Yoast, just type in SEO Yoast and it'll come up. This is the one you're looking for right here. WordPress SEO by Yoast. And it's already installed. It's already got an update I need to do. But once it's installed, the tools will automatically show up on the pages themselves. So I'll show you how that works. So when you come into your page, you'll see over here that it's got this little SEO thing. It's got a little checklist for you. This makes it super easy for you, so that you it makes it so that you don't have to think about it. You just make sure that your checklist is taken care of, and you'll be good to go. Now at the bottom of your post, you'll see the checklist. Okay. All right. Here's the plugins little window here. WordPress by SEO Yoast. So general, it's going to give you your snippet so that you can edit that, and that's what you're editing is what people are going to see when they search for or when your results come up in the search engines. So this is what they're going to see. So that way you can edit it and make it so it's more clickable, so that they like, your customers, it'll stand out a little bit. Then you're going to type in your focus keyword right here, and it's going to tell you if you're good on all the things that you need to do. So SEO title, I've got my keyword in there. Article heading, that's where we had it at the top. I'm not going to scroll all the way back there, but it's in there. Page title, yes. Page URL, because this is the main page, bestmailordersteak.com, it's not going to show that it's in the URL, but if this was a post, it would be, and let's say the keyword was ribeye steaks, I would want my subdomain to be bestmailordersteak.com/ribeye steaks. So in this particular case, it's going to say no, because it's not slash. It's not bestmailordersteak.com/bestmailordersteak. It's just bestmailordersteak. And then it's going to tell you whether or not you have enough of it in your actual content, and then in the meta description. So here's the page analysis. This is where you're really going to get some help here. I'm even a little bit low on my keyword density. It's showing that it's an orange, which is, it's like, it could be more dark red, but my keyword density is only 0.83%, so I need to probably jump that up a little bit, meaning it was found 16 times in the post, and because this is a 2,000 word page, 16 times is going to give me 0.83%. It's probably better to focus on trying to get up to like 2%. So I've got a little ways to go. I didn't want to sound too spammy. I didn't want to say it too much, but I could definitely be doing better on that. This one, the keyword does not appear in the URL, but like I said, that's not a problem, because it's in the main part of the key in the URL. This one is the flash reading ease. It's a test that goes through and just determines, it kind of goes through your page and determines how easy your post is to read. And Google uses that, or other search engines use that to determine, if it sounds natural, if it sounds like a human wrote it. If it's just a bunch of words jumbled together with your keywords here and there, they're going to be able to pick up on that, and it won't get listed as favorable. So you want to make sure that you have a good a green light on your flash reading ease test, and then just go through the checklist. Get as many green lights as you can. So for example, keyword phrase, and 2 out of 17, subheading and copy. While not a major ranking factor, this is beneficial. This is having the keyword in the subheadings, the H tags. Yeah, you just go through. I've got some outbound. It says, you should have some outbound links. The keyword is in the first paragraph. You haven't used this keyword on a different page before. You don't want your pages competing with each other for rank for a single keyword. Just go through. And then, of course, this is a big one right here. I'm imagining in this new Yoast update that this is going to be different. They recommend a 300 word minimum, but if you go to Google and you search keywords, you'll find that most of the pages on the front have at least 1,500 words on their page. So I like to try to stay above 1,500, at least on my main page above 1,500. Not all of my posts will get that high, but for your main post, you should really focus on that. I've read around 2,000 words written on that page, so that's how you know if your page is well optimized. And then it'll say right here, green light, go ahead, you're good to go. And if it's red, just come in here and see exactly what you need to do to fix it. So I published this page a little while back, just fairly recently. It was within like 3 days that I made it onto the front page. So let's jump on over to Yahoo real quick. Okay. You'll have to forgive me. It's a bit of an inappropriate picture of Nicki Minaj on the front page of Yahoo. Okay, best mail order steak. That's my focus keyword. Let's see what comes up. Okay, you've got your ads at the top. Kansas City Steaks, Amazing Clubs, and My Chicago Steak Company, which is actually the one that I am promoting. And then you'll get out of the ads and into the this is all ads, so that's not what we're going for. That's pay-per-click. It's totally different. What we're trying to do is rank right here at the top of the organic searches. But if you look, you got Gear Patrol, Yahoo Answers, and then bestmailordersteak.com. That's me. And remember the snippet that we showed? This is exactly what it looks like in SEO Yoast. So it's showing up exactly how I wanted it to show up. So, and I'm already seeing traffic from that keyword from Yahoo and Bing. It's the same. I'm in the same position on Bing as well. In fact, let's jump over there. I haven't been in a few days. Who knows? Maybe it's changed. I kind of doubt it. I found that these Yahoo and Bing pretty much have the same. Yeah, same stuff. So there I am, number 3. So that's really how it's done for that. I mean, once you've built the page, you should have it set up so that it has Google Analytics, and then submit it to Google Webmaster Tools, and then Google can start crawling it. But it's not like I haven't submitted this to Yahoo or Bing. It was picked up by them, so pretty effortless to get to the front page of Yahoo. So what I do highly recommend is jump over to give this a shot. Think of a new, even if it's a small niche like this, just something that's simple, a simple affiliate program that you want to promote. Get a domain, first jump over to Jaxie and figure out your focus keyword, and then just build a site around that focus keyword. You can build it in a day, and see what happens. And then start getting traffic, and that traffic's going to convert into sales pretty quickly. So try it out. Below this video there is a Jaxie keyword search bar. Just type in a keyword in your niche and see what comes up. And then I'd love to hear back from you. Go ahead and comment on this page. Let me know about some of the stuff you're going after, or if you need any help, and then I can help you out with that. Or find me in the forum, or email me, whatever you want to do. Let's chat. Let me help you get that first affiliate sale. So anyways, yeah, please send all questions my way. Glad to help. Oh, and of course, don't forget, like us over here on Facebook, over to the right. We're going to be sending out some cool stuff pretty soon as we build that page up. So, all right, see you on the next video.